All right, so hey everyone, today I'm going to do a little product test, and you can see right here I've got this is a runner from my van. It's a 2007, and this carpet has definitely seen better days, so this is going to be a good test of this product here. I'm using Surround Omega Citrus. It's got ProFresh deodorizer. It's got AFT, which is active film technology, which protects the fibers, helps them from resoiling, and then the T2H Incap detergent, which is an advanced micropolymer detergent that really helps separate the dirt away from the fibers and then encapsulates it. So that basically means that it holds it together away from the fabric, and then it can be vacuumed up or basically wiped off after it's separated while it's still wet. So it's going to clean right away, but it's also going to clean down the road with vacuuming. So I'm just going to spray this on, and then the process is, let it sit for a few minutes and then agitate it. I'm going to use this brush right here, and this is just like a micro view of what can happen on a regular carpet fiber. This is, I don't know if this is poly or nylon. I'd have to look it up, but it's definitely synthetic. So and I've got a lot of nice food stains on here because my kids have eaten food and dirt in the van. So we'll see how this works. Let me go ahead and get this here. Just put on. Try and get a spray. A little bit more of a mist. Okay. Get that stain. So you can see not a lot of moisture on this right now. So I'm going to come back and agitate this next with the brush. All right, so got my drill, got my brush loaded up, and this is a softer carpet brush. Normally I use a pad, but I don't have a pad for a smaller drill. Agitation with the brush. I normally like to use a pad. Really helps work this solution into the fibers, and then will help it continue to dissolve, and then it can be removed. And we're just going to use a rag to remove it today, although we normally use a bonnet. But I forgot to mention, or maybe I did, this has a deodorizer included in it as well as a nice citrus scent. So here we go. Let's see. You can already see, I think it's already looking a little bit better, but I haven't even agitated it yet. So let's start with this here. Now, before I finish, just so you know, this is, like I said, this is pretty old carpet, and I'm not sure what all of these stains are. So setting the expectation that not everything is probably going to come out, but let's see how good we can make it. I would have to get maybe my spotter kit out and try and remove absolutely everything. But even then, sometimes spots don't completely remove. So let's see what it's starting to look better though. So this is also still just the first step. So if I see a spot here, I'm gonna get that a little more, let that soak. Like I said, the second step is to actually remove They call it pad capping with a bonnet, but I'll just use a rag, the dirt, and that should make it look even better. So looks pretty good here, actually. Pretty impressed with this result so far. And I'm gonna go ahead and now just wipe it off. Wipe off the dampness here. Oh man, look at that. Look at how much dirt is coming off right now because it's been separated from the carpet fibers. And normally when I'm cleaning a carpet, I would be using a pad on a 175 or a floor machine, and you would really see the dirt in the pad. And then I'd flip the pad over, continue to extract the dirt. So this Omega Citrus has encapsulated the dirt. It's put it inside the formula, and now it can easily be removed with, you know, cotton fabric. So I would have a pad and it would spin and the machine would just rotate. And so this is just simulating what you would get. So this is very impressive how good this is working on this. Took all those food, there that one food spot was. Can't even see it. There's another one on the edge here. And, you know, even what's left, the small bit of remaining solution that's in there is going to, you know, not only is it going to deodorize and protect with the active film technology, but as it dries, the encapsulation polymers are going to continue to hold the dirt, and over your next 3 to 6 vacuums, it's going to continue to pull out more dirt. So I'll just get this brushed all one direction, get this like you would groom a carpet, and you can see right there, looks great. All right, almost as good as new. Very pleased with this. So that's Omega Citrus Surround Omega Citrus. Very low moisture method, and worked like a charm. Couldn't be more pleased.